Friends, today we will be learning to make a Christmas tree in the colors of a peacock. Yes, so are you ready? To make the peacock tree, we will be requiring a plain paper, a pencil, a scale and a crumbled paper. Make it like a ball like this, and then 3 colors: blue, violet and green. Draw a straight line. Leave 4 cm from the below. Draw a 6 cm, total 12 cm, 6 divided. Take a 3 cm, then draw 8 cm line, then leave 3 cm. Draw a 6 cm line, 3 centimeters on each sides. Now let's make our tree. You just have to join these. From here to here. Just make the triangles. Right? Now make it 2 more parallel lines to it. That will be the end of our tree. Color this bottom part of your tree. Color it only till here. Color this wood. Now this is done. Next we will be adding a little bit green to our tree. Do it like this, the green, and then you want to mix it with the shade of a blue. And what is left last is purple or violet. All now that is left to complete your tree is take the paper that you have crumbled, okay, and just use it to mix the color. Remember to mix the color, use it in a, first do it green like I'm doing, and then the blue, and then the purple. Let's continue mixing the colors. Does it gives you a shade of a peacock? Yes, it does. And our tree is ready. Do you like it? I just love it. So here is our final peacock tree is ready. Peacock tree, or it's a Christmas tree. Name whatever you want to, but do remember to subscribe to my channel.